Hey, I'm Nick, and this is the limited edition craft beer making gift set featuring the Frosty Footprint Pale Ale. This is our limited edition kit this year. We really only sell these during the holiday season each year, and when they're gone, they're gone. So if this is something you're interested in, just saying up front, make sure you get your order in right away because they'll probably be sold out by the time we reach our holiday shipping deadline this year. So just kind of running through things, we do have a really, one of the things we're most excited about with this particular kit is the limited edition packaging. It's a really giftable design, something that's really exciting when you open on Christmas Day. You can really be proud to give this as a gift and really should elicit some excitement from the prospective gift recipient. So aside from just the packaging and the customized labels, we also include all of the bells and whistles that we include in any of our 1 gallon kits. So we've got a siphonless fermenter with an airlock and stopper. The siphonless fermenter is really great for the new brewer because you don't have to mess around with racking canes and transferring and gravity siphons and all these things. You just open the port, attach the tube, and go right into bottles after it's done fermenting. The recipe kit included here is the Frosty Footprints Pale Ale. As I said, it is a limited edition recipe kit and only included with this gift set. It includes both hops from America as well as from Europe, so Old World and New World hops, and it's very approachable, something that will be a real crowd pleaser, and you can be sure that any beer lover on your list will absolutely love this recipe kit. It comes with a couple of pint glasses. Again, our only starter kit that comes with pint glasses, so they have something that they can enjoy their beer in after the fermentation process has concluded. Everything that you need to bottle up the beer is actually included in this pack as well, and this is a little bit unique. None of our other starter kits have this component. We really wanted to make a kit here that was available A to Z for the gift recipient. So the only thing that isn't actually included in this kit that you would need to make your own beer is a 2 gallon kettle. And so if you can imagine the type of pot you would need to make mac and cheese from a box, as we say, that is the kettle that you would need to be able to brew this particular batch of beer. So we do sell that kettle on the website as well. So if you're not sure if the recipient has a 2 gallon kettle, we offer that as an option, but it does not come standard with this kit. This is the limited edition craft beer making gift set with the Frosty Footprints Pale Ale. Again, just one last reminder, this is limited, so if this is something you're interested in for the holiday season, make sure to get your order in now because it is sure to sell out and become unavailable by the time we hit our shipping deadline. Happy holidays. It's the most wonderful time for a beer.
It is.
With the pints all a-pouring and everyone snoring because they were drunk last night.